I'm going to be showing you all my new fidgets I got from Amazon. I already opened them, so sorry guys. First we got this. We got this button. I'm sorry it's a little blurry. We got this rubber band thingy that you... And then we got this texture spot. It feels so good. This jelly stick. This other plate thing. And there's actually 3 of them, but... Yeah, and these spinny things. This spinny thing. These sliders that are very quiet. Like very, very quiet. And the smooth spot. And these buttons. And these spinning things. And smooth thing. Okay, next up we got this pink and blue simple dimple. It's like so good. We got this triple dimple as well. And 2 mini poppets. So, I actually just got scammed. Don't buy mini poppets off of Amazon because they're really hard, but the good side is really soft. Like, I don't get it. I literally don't get it. Like, literally, I don't get it. Well, now I'm going to show off to all of the people in my school. I'm kidding. I'm not allowed to go around the whole school. So, yeah. So, I'm going to be showing you what I am going to be doing next. And I have to guess. So, guys, I got the little carabiner. And first, we're going to put my simple dimple on. I love this thing. It's like so cool. Got the simple dimple. Next, our triple a dimple. It's kind of weird. Next is the mini poppet. Oh my god, I love this. And this mini poppet. How does it look so far? And the last thing is this. It's going to be hanging off of this thing right here, this rubber band thingy. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. And this is going to go on my backpack. I know this seems a little too much, but got it. Bye.